Hello, I'm Rachel from Douentza Garden in Ireland, and today I want to talk to you about 3 late flowering yellow perennials that make great bedfellows. So use these 3 together and your late summer border is going to be the talk of the town. My first plant is the shortest of the 3, and being just 1.5 feet tall makes an ideal plant for mid or front of the border. This is a dwarf goldenrod or Solidago called Little Lemon. Solidago Little Lemon produces dense, cheery plumes of golden flowers from late summer into autumn. The plumes are scented and also make great cut flowers for the house. Perhaps you've been wary of growing goldenrod in the past because of its reputation for spreading. And if so, this compact, clumping plant is the one for you. Grow Little Lemon in poor or moderately fertile, well-drained soil in full sun. It's suitable for US hardiness zones 5 to 9. Behind Solidago Little Lemon, we have a Helenium called Riverton Beauty. It has clear, pale yellow flowers with contrasting maroon bosses held in masses from August right into autumn. This plant is tall, coming in at nearly 4 foot, so it may need staking, but this is a small price to pay for the breathtaking spectacle it'll give you. Grow this Helenium in any good, moist, well-drained soil in full sun for 4 months of blooming pleasure. Heleniums are suitable for US zones 3 to 8. My final plant is a Rudbeckia. Now, there are plenty of Rudbeckias that look fabulous at this time of year, but this one is a giant. Rudbeckia herbstone or Rudbeckia autumn sun grows to 6.5 foot and is a robust plant bearing single golden flowers with an elongated eye. It flowers from mid to late summer and looks fabulous at the back of a border. Grow in moderately fertile, moist but well-drained soil in full sun. It can tolerate partial shade but appreciates a sheltered position. It'll probably need staking. Rudbeckia herbstone is suitable for zones 3 to 9. So, for late summer gold, why not try Solidago Little Lemon, Helenium Riverton Beauty or Rudbeckia herbstone. Happy growing!